Welcome, let's get into silver and gold news today. In an environment of persistent global uncertainty, rising inflation, and escalating fiscal concerns, gold and silver are becoming more vital than ever as foundational assets for investors. Market volatility, geopolitical tensions, and structural shifts in global finance are driving a renewed focus on these precious metals as essential tools for wealth preservation and portfolio diversification. Recent price surges, with gold hitting new all-time highs and silver showing impressive gains, underscore their appeal. Experts point to a confluence of factors making the case for owning hard assets stronger than it has been in decades. The case for gold, the ultimate safe haven. Gold's appeal is rooted in its long-standing role as the classic safe haven asset and the ultimate store of value. Its intrinsic nature means it cannot be printed at will by central banks, making its supply finite and immune to the currency dilution that plagues fiat money. Hedge against inflation and currency risk. As high inflation remains sticky and government debt levels continue to soar, the purchasing power of traditional currencies is being questioned. Gold historically maintains its value or appreciates during such periods, effectively preserving wealth against the eroding effects of rising prices and currency devaluation. Geopolitical and economic crisis protection. In times of high geopolitical tension, such as ongoing global conflicts and trade disputes, investors naturally flock to gold. It is a globally recognized and accepted asset, held in reserve by central banks worldwide, providing a universally trusted form of wealth that is independent of a single economy's stability. Portfolio anchor. Gold is generally considered to be uncorrelated with the performance of stocks and bonds. This unique attribute makes it a crucial diversifying asset, helping to reduce overall portfolio risk and provide a buffer during market downturns. Silver's dual appeal. Industrial demand meets investment potential. While gold serves primarily as a monetary asset, silver offers a compelling dual identity. It is both a precious metal and a vital industrial commodity. This combination offers investors a different risk-reward profile, with potential for higher upside, albeit with greater volatility. The industrial engine. A significant portion of silver's demand comes from industrial applications, especially in high-growth sectors like electronics, medical equipment, and most critically, green energy technologies such as solar panels and electric vehicles, EVs. As the global transition to sustainable energy accelerates, demand for silver as an essential input is expected to grow structurally. A critical mineral. The strategic importance of silver has recently been highlighted by its inclusion on the U.S. list of critical minerals. This move underscores government recognition of its growing strategic significance and could lead to policies aimed at securing domestic supply chains, potentially supporting higher long-term prices for the metal. Affordability and volatility. Silver's lower price per ounce makes it more accessible for small and retail investors to acquire physical metal. While it is generally more volatile than gold, this high volatility can translate into greater percentage gains during powerful precious metals bull runs, allowing it to potentially outperform gold in certain cycles. Investor outlook, the long-term horizon. For investors seeking to navigate the current economic climate, defined by fiscal uncertainty, persistent inflation, and geopolitical risk, precious metals are regaining their status as non-negotiable components of a diversified portfolio. Major investment banks are signaling a bullish long-term outlook, with some projecting gold could cross the $5,000 per ounce mark in the next few years. For long-term wealth preservation, experts recommend a moderate and consistent allocation to precious metals, typically in the range of 5% to 20% of a total portfolio, to secure a tangible anchor against market turmoil. Whether for the stability of gold or the growth potential of silver, Both metals stand as tangible assets in a world increasingly reliant on paper promises, making them crucial elements of a resilient financial strategy today. Thank you for listening, and please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.